My name is Brian Carter, and I want to invite you to join us for this year's E.K. Bailey Expository Preaching Conference, July 8th to 11th in Dallas, Texas. This conference was designed to help you grow in your preaching. It's a gathering of preachers committed to growing in our skills and in the practice of the exposition of Scripture. We brought in some leading pastors and professors from across the country to lead workshops, lead our main sessions, and you don't want to miss it. This year's theme is Preaching Ephesians, equipping the church. We're going to provide you with a core group of workshops that will teach you how to effectively preach through the Book of Ephesians. It's our desire to invest in your preaching ministry so that you can be the most effective preacher you can possibly be for the people that God has called you to serve. Register today while there's still time. We look forward to seeing you in July. For more information, visit our website at ekbpc.com and bring a friend.